it is April 30th at 10:37 a.m. and Dad is making Cheerios and putting strawberries on top to get energized. And I'm just gonna eat some grapes. Cause whoa, Dad just added some milk.
Well, tell them what we're doing today.
Oh yeah, we're going on a hike. It's gonna be very exciting. We're gonna take you guys along with us. Dad, you hold the camera.
It's gonna be fun.
You
have to frame it better, okay, like that.
Okay. I'm eating some grapes, Dad. Why do these grapes have like holes? Wait, why do these grapes have holes? Is this normal? They got like grapes inside of it. They got like not grapes inside of grapes. Holes, like little holes. Is that normal?
Yeah.
How do we eat strawberries?
I just throw that back in.
How do we eat strawberries? Did you wash those strawberries?
I did, yeah. I always wash my stuff. Who's crying?
Grapes are not good after you brush your teeth. Oh my god.
Why?
They taste spicy. That's just my point of view. That was really disgusting. I'm waiting.
Okay, so we're going on this hike.
Should we
This thing's hard to center. So you have to you can't go like that because you get it cut off, right?
Don't look at the screen, look here.
So
I have a problem with that, guys.
I know. Here, take this.
I always look at the screen. All right, Mom, you want to bring an intro in?
I love Cheerios.
You love Cheerios. I'm zooming in on your face. Oh, get in focus there. Oh, it's focused, thank you. And some Cheerios. Oh man, it doesn't focus anymore.
I broke my finger.
Oh yeah, Mom broke her finger.
Jack.
Oh, Jack basically did because he pulled her down.
Oh.
So, this is a pretty long intro. We'll either catch it with you guys when wait, how long is this drive?
Hour and 20 minutes.
What? Another long drive. Well, at least it's not a 5-hour drive. At least it's not like 5 hours like when we picked up Ellie. That was a nightmare. We were going a little bit delirious.
The cereal's so bland without sugar. It's like, oh man.
I'm not eating those grapes. I'm not eating those grapes until my toothpaste is out of my mouth because that was disgusting. Okay, so we'll catch up with you guys when we're in the car. And that's it. Everyone say bye until then.
Bye until then.
Mom?
Bye.
Okay, bye.
We're trying to figure out.
Okay, so we're trying
to figure out where to.
Stone Mountain Loop Trail.
We're gonna try to do like one
here.
of these. I think we're gonna do this 4.
So we gotta go.
Dad, are we doing the 4.5 one?
Yes.
It's strenuous.
Stone Mountain Loop Trail. Where is it?
Let's go over here, you guys.
Here, let's go over here.
I think it's over
Here, where's the entrance? I think it's over there.
Over there.
Okay, so this is our view right now. This is our view. So we're walking forward. Ow. Ow! I just tripped over a stick. Okay. Hello. Oh, no, it was never pointed at you, Mom. It was never. I keep tripping. I'm a klutz, you guys.
Where is it? That one? I don't even know.
Okay, there's like
Right
many entrances. I don't know where to go. We're a little lost.
Oh, right now this water tastes like that ice.
Oh, come on, it's fine.
Okay, Dad, you want to say something? I'm a little bit blank right now. I don't know what to say.
Well, we're just trying to find. We're trying to find the like trailhead where it starts.
Okay, there's like more cars coming, so we want.
Hey, anywhere would go. Seriously.
I'm a little bit confused. But we will catch them with you guys when we're on the trail, when we know where we're going. We're in the wrong place the entire time.
Totally wrong place.
So now we're in the right spot. There's more people here, but it's okay. I'll get over it. So now this is our hike right here. So we're just walking forward and see where it takes us. Mom, you haven't said anything in a while, anything?
It's pretty.
It's very green. So,
Really nice.
yeah. Okay, so to stone. Okay, oh god, this is very narrow.
It's alright.
Stone Loop Trail? I think that's wrong.
Nope, it's this way, not that way. That is to the picnic area.
Here, see.
Oh yeah, so we'll go this way.
So we're just gonna go this way and we're just gonna do a little clip of it.
Miles around a track.
Some process. Guys, hang on.
16 laps.
Okay, so process has been going on here. So we're thinking that we're gonna do the stone with falls, which is 0.3 miles away. And
oh, we can do the loop trail. Look, we can do the loop trail this way if we want to. So we can do the whole loop. It's 4.3, or we can just go like opposite ways. So either way.
okay.
There's like a bunch of ways to go.
Here, I just hold the camera and say something.
So like this, the whole loop is 4.3, but we're gonna go down here to the falls, which is only 0.3 miles. This place is really cool. Take a picture? Yeah, sure. Okay, so this place is really pretty. My goodness gracious. This is like a sliding rock. Wait a minute. This is sliding rock. Yes, it is. Oh, it's not? We went to a place like a long time ago. Oh, that's right. It looks like the same place. We went to this place called Sliding Rock in Nashville last year. It looks just like this. But it's, this place is so gorgeous up here, man. It's really crowded too, but it's pretty amazing how, I swear, you don't get this kind of beauty. I shouldn't say beauty, but you don't get this kind of place in California. I'm from LA, and it's just not like this, you know. It's really nice.
Oh god.
Here's Mary. Wants to be a photographer. Actually, I'm trying to like encourage her to be a photographer because she has a really good eye, but she just uses her Galaxy. I want to get her like a nice full frame Nikon and have her start taking pictures. I think she'd be really good at it. She took photography class in high school. Look away, look away. It's like super nice up here. Wish y'all were here. Wish you were here. Wish you were here. In the band. That's right, Incubus. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. What?
This looks exactly like the sliding rock photos.
I bet you can slide down there, but you get hurt down there.
No, don't do it. Wait, you can have our stuff down here. Keep shooting.
How about that photography class? How about that camera, Mary? She just likes taking selfies.
I need to take some pictures with my phone too. Oh god, what have I got in here?
Make sure you zip it up, Grace.
Oh, that is really cool. I like the this.
Oh my gosh, it's awesome.
I'm gonna
See, you can't go down it because you'd hit these rocks and be in a lot of pain.
Oh, there's no way. You could possibly die.
You would probably, look how steep that is. You'd be dead.
Okay, I'm gonna start the time lapse when we get to this point.
Huh?
Right here. I'm gonna start the time lapse when we go here.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Can you imagine like going down that thing? Here. On like a boogie board?
Oh, if this was deeper and there was no rocks, that would be perfect.
Yeah, but there is and it's not.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
So check this out. Watch out for this guy, yeah. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Zoom in on it. Get me on the rock now. I gotta take a
I'm gonna slip on these rocks, I swear, I know I am. Oh! I'm gonna slip on these rocks. Mara, will you be careful, please?
Can I go on here?
She's gonna fall. Grace, go on the wood part right there, yeah. Grace, what do you think? Huh? How many
10 out of 10.
how many stars?
10.
5.
10. Get it for me, take it.
I'm gonna break my back.
Ooh, take a picture of Grace with the falls behind her.
Fine, but it's too dark.
No, it's not. You guys just flying down there? You're dead. But it'd be fun until you hit that rock. My wrist.
Really?
Yeah. Mary!
Stay there.
Wow, that hurts.
Can I like legitimately feel water?
Is it cold?
No, can I feel it?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna feel the water and see how cold it is.
All right, do it.
I don't know the next spot I should go to.
No, go over there.
I want to like get on that
That is a crazy looking rock, man.
Is it just me or does it look fake?
Kind of, yeah.
It looks like we're in a picture.
But like old fake like that, they're gonna think that some of the other ones, I thought they were birthdays.
So today, right now, I'm ending the vlog because yesterday we completely forgot. So I am currently editing the hiking vlog right now. So yep, that's currently happening. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going up today. It's going up today. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!